students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you are back towards your regular routine. है ना? Because you all know that your regular classes are started now. Okay, so tell me, have you done your previous session work? As you know that yesterday I introduced you with Unit A of your new tier, your tier 2, and you learned something new yesterday. So, how's it? Is there any doubt in your new session, your new concept which I taught you earlier? If there is any doubt, so you can ask me, students. So let's start our today's session. So you have to bring out your writing skills book. As I told you earlier, and you know that one day we will introduce a new concept, and the next day we will do the written practice of that concept. है ना? So in the same way, we will proceed. So for that, for the writing session, you have to bring out your writing skills book. But before that, let's take a mock test, okay, or a revision session. So I will show you the pictures, the similar pictures which I introduced you previously. So you have to tell me, first of all, tell me the sound which I introduced you yesterday. Which word we are doing? This is S H. So what is the sound it will give you? Ma'am, sure. Very good. That means you do practice. That is very good. So it will give you sound sure. That is absolutely right. Okay. So students, what is this? Ma'am, this is fish. Very good. And this one? Ma'am, shop. Okay. So, okay, can you please tell me where is the blend? Where is the SH blend? Ma'am, in the beginning. Yes, very good. Okay, here, ma'am, this is a brush. Very nice. Okay. And what is this? Ma'am, this is a ship. Okay. Can you please write the name over here? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you have to concentrate on the first sound. It's sh. The sh sound come from ma'am S H. Very good. Sh. Here I'll write sh. Okay, focus on the next sound. Ma'am E. Very good. So E sound come from ma'am I. Yes. So here you have to write I. Ship. What is the ending sound? Ma'am, P. Very good. So here I have to write P. So is this the correct word? Yes, ma'am. This is ship. Sh e ship. Yes, this one is correct. Very good. I will give you a big star. Very nice. So students, now we will come towards our today work. So you all have to bring out your writing skills book which is there on screen. This is your child centric writing skills perfection toolkit joyful D. Along with it, you must have ma'am pencil. Yes, you must have a sharp pencil and eraser. So till then I will open your writing skills book. Students, you have to come on page number 1717 from your book. Okay, if you want to see it, so you will see the number mentioned below. It's 1770. Okay, so in the previous session I'll introduce you the sh word. Okay, we do the oral practice है ना, and today also we will do the revision, right? So now we have to do the written practice of those words. So we will do the written practice in this worksheet. As you know that this worksheet is divided in two halves. See, there is a line over here. Okay. So first half we will perform today and the next half we perform later on. Okay. This is the way by which you have to use your written book. Okay. So before starting this, here you have to fill this topmost column, write the date today, also circle the day, go outside, check the weather and circle the clip art. Because this is a new worksheet, and here in this worksheet we will do written practice of which words? Sh sound word. SH words. SH will give you sound sh. Again and again I am saying it. You again and again if you are doing practice, so you will build up your concept. ठीक है, तो जैसे मैम आपको बार बार बताते हैं दैट इन्फॉर्म करते हैं दैट एस एच विल गिव यू श साउंड, सो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू रिपीट इट अगेन एंड अगेन, ताकि आपको वो रिवाइज होता रहे जितनी बार भी आप उसको रिपीट करो. Okay, so in this worksheet, in this first half, on this worksheet जो आज आपने first half perform करना है, you have some pictures, these clip arts given to you, है ना, आपको pictures given है ये, like this one and this one, है ना. So you have to see the picture and you have to write the correct word in the given space. Some of the words are already written, students, so you just have to trace it, and the rest of the words you have to write by own. Okay, so now each and every word having the same blend, sh blend. See, here the sh is in the beginning. If you see this one, here the sh is in the end. Here also it's in the beginning. Here beginning, right? So these, today we are doing the sh words, sh sound words, and in each word the sound is same. What sound is it? Sh sound. Okay. Now let's read over here. Write name for each picture. तो आपको जितनी भी यहाँ पर pictures given है, you have to write the name of each picture in the given space. And this is very much clear that you have to write it in between the blue lines, because it's your duty to make your notebook neat and clean, so your formation should be correct. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पर आपको form किया हुआ है SH, you have to make the formation correctly. Okay, students, so I want that you will do your work neat and clean. फाइन, एंड डोंट डू ओवर राइटिंग. आप फर्स्ट टाइम में ही अगर आप अच्छा करोगे, ध्यान लगा के करोगे, सो यू नीड नॉट टू डू करेक्शन अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, तो आप फर्स्ट टाइम में ही अच्छे से परफॉर्म करो, ताकि आपकी करेक्शंस ना हो और आपको बार बार ओवर राइट ना करना पड़े, जिसकी वजह से आपका पेज भी क्लियर हो सकता है. सो दीज आर सम guidelines, or these are some points where you have to be very much conscious. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is this, students? Can you see it? No, ma'am. Okay, when you go on beach, है ना, जब आप beach पर जाते हो तो आपको ये मिलता है. This is a shell. What we call it? Shell, shell, right? So mainly ये beaches पे आपको मिलता है. Otherwise in soil also you find this shell. So what we call it? This is a shell. Shell, है ना. So the name यहाँ पर word is already mentioned. You just have to trace it with your pencil and write it in between blue line. Sh. SH will give you sound sh. A. E will give you sound a. Sh. A. L. Shell. Right? This is shell. Sh. A. L. Shell. In this way, you just have to trace all these words which is written over here. Okay. Tell me, what is this? This is a dish, है ना. This is a dish. What we call it? Dish, right? So here you have to trace it. This one is dish. Okay. The next one. This is a shirt. The shirt. Again, in the beginning, there is a same sound, sh sound. Here, in the last, the same sound, sh sound. Okay. And tell me, what is this? Ma'am, this is shoe. Very good. So, in the beginning, the sound is same, sh. Sh, shoe. Okay, come over here. You just have to trace it in the same way. Okay, now what is this? Shop. Shop. So SH will give you sound sh. Okay, now here, what is this? Shovel, shovel. In the hill station, when there is a snowfall, so we will use this, है ना? जब snowfall होती है ना? So आपकी जो roads होती है, वो क्या हो जाती है? Block हो जाती है. So we will use this kind of tool or equipment to make some way, right? So this is shovel. So sh will give you sound sh. Okay, this we will do in our previous session also. So who will tell me? Ma'am, this is shark. Very good. So here you have to write the word by on. So sh sound will give you sh. Sound come from a shark. The next sound is r. So here you have to write r, sh, r, k. The ending sound is shark. So here you have to write k, shark, right? Okay, the next one is this one. Ma'am, this is a brush. Very good. So here you have to write b, r. R sound comes from R, B, R, A. Sound come from, we will do it in the previous class, students. U, very good. Brush, BRU, brush. Again, the next sound, sh, come from SH. Yes. Okay. Tell me, where is the SH blend? Ma'am, in the end. Yes, here it is. And in this one, ma'am, it is in the beginning. Yes. Okay. Come on the next line. Here you have to come. What is this, students? Ma'am, this is a fish. Very good. So you have to write for E. E sound comes from I. For E. Sh. Sh sound comes from S. H. Fish. Right? Fish. Okay. Now see this one. What is there in this picture? Ma'am, this is ship. Very good. So here you have to write ship S H sh E. E sound come from I. Sh E P. P sound come from D. So here you have to write ship. Where is the SH? Here. And here also in the end. Okay, tell me. What is this? Ma'am, I forgot. Okay, who will remember it? Ma'am, I will tell you. Okay, tell me. Ma'am, this is shelf. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so here you have to write show. Show sound come from S, H, show, elf, E, L, F, shelf. Elf, shelf. Right, students? Okay, now you have to see the next picture. So the person is washing his hands. So here you have to write wash, wash. So what is the spelling? Ma'am, wo sound come from W. Very good. Wo, o, a, nice. You are doing really great. Wo, o, sh. Again, ma'am. Sh sound come from S, H. Very nice. Now you see, this is very easy, है ना? Just you have to focus on the concept and you will understand it. It's so easy. Okay, so students, I am giving you some time. Till then, you will complete your worksheet. Then we will do our creative work. So today we do the written practice of your SH words. Again, I am repeating. The sound is sh. What is the sound? Sh. Right? Sh sound. Sh. Sh say shalgam. Right? So this one is your English task. After completing this task, we will do our creative work. In our creative, we have to complete our art sheet by doing coloring. So you just have to carry your crayons with yourself. Okay, students, now you have to come towards your creative task. So you all have to bring out your drawing files. Along with it, you also have to carry your crayons. Okay, because today we have to do coloring. So crayons are must. Fine. So you all have to open this art sheet which we draw in a previous session. Right? In the previous session, we draw a flower pot, and today we have to color in it. Right? So you all have to bring out your crayons. You can do coloring as per your wish. You can pick any of your favorite color and do coloring. But the major guidelines which you have to follow is you have to do coloring in same direction, and your coloring should not come out of the image. Okay, you can pick any of your favorite color. There is no foundation that you have to do the same color which your ma'am is going to do. You can pick any of your favorite color, but the steps which you have to follow is that you have to do coloring in same direction ताकि आपकी आर्ट शीट और ब्यूटीफुल लगे, right? एंड सेकेंड थिंग, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग कि आप कलरिंग जब आप करते हो, चाहे आप कोई भी टास्क करते हो, तो उसको आपको अच्छे से करना है, फुल कंसंट्रेशन के साथ करना है, प्लस टेक एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम। इसको टाइम लेके करना है। डोंट डू इट इन हश रश, बिकॉज अगर आप कोई भी काम जल्दी जल्दी में करते हो, सो इट विल नॉट गिव यू अ गुड आउटकम। बट वही काम अगर आप थोड़ा टाइम लेके करते हो और उसको अच्छे से करते हो, सो इट विल गिव यू अ गुड रिजल्ट। सो आपने उसको टाइम लेके करना है, बिकॉज अगर आप हश रश में करोगे तो आप मोस्टली चांसेस होते हैं कि आपके कलर्स जो हैं वो आउट ऑफ द इमेज चले जाते हैं, राइट? सो इट विल नॉट लुक गुड। सो यू हैव टू टेक एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एंड देन you have to do coloring. Okay, so now I'm taking my favorite colors. You can pick any of your favorite color. First of all, I'm starting with the pot, right? So I'll do it over here. So I'm taking the orange color for my pot, and here also I'm taking the orange color. Fine. In the middle of this, I'm using the yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. So see, this is ready now. Now I'll do coloring in my flowers. So first of all, I'm doing the green color in leaves, right? And here also I'm doing the same green color. You can pick any of your shade, the dark green or the light green, whatever is there with you. You can pick any of your favorite color. Fine. Now I'm taking the yellow color and do it in my flowers. Okay, and along with it I'm taking the brown color, and here I'm doing the brown color. And I want to use the yellow color again, fine, because it will give a good color combination, orange with yellow. Okay, and here I'm doing the brown color. Okay, and as you know that we have to do the brown color for soil, है ना? Because आप अपने flowers कहाँ पर लगाते हो? Soil में, है ना? So soil किस color की होती है? It is of brown color. So I used to give a brown shade in this part. Okay, so this is done, students. You all have to do coloring in your art sheet and make it more beautiful. I want कि आप सबकी art sheet बहुत beautiful हो, Okay, and after completing your art sheet, you have to share the pictures with me. Okay, again, I want to say that you all have to be regular with your homework, okay, and with your activities, because now we have started with a new year. तो आपको फोकस रहना है अपनी स्टडीज के साथ. यू हैव टू शेयर द वर्क ऑन टाइम, यू हैव टू मार्क द अटेंडेंस रेगुलरली. फाइन. एंड कहीं पर भी आपको डाउट है, सो आई एम देयर, यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम, बट प्लीज be regular with your activities, with your homework, with your studies. Fine, that's it. Have a good day. That's all about this session. In this, we will cover our English subject, plus we had completed our artwork. Have a good day. Bye bye.